There hasn't been a lack of international tractor brands trying to make inroads into the local machinery market of late. There are manufacturers from China, Korea, Europe and more that are all vying for a slice of the Aussie tractor pie. Russian manufacturer Kirovets is in among the throng of brands hoping to grab the attention of Australian farmers. If you've been in the industry for a while, you might remember the Kirovets machines sold under the Belarus brand. After a lengthy hiatus from the Australian market, the range is back in the country, bigger, better and sturdier than ever.
I suppose the issue with Belarus, as most people who've been in farming for a while in Australia will know, the reputation was pretty mixed. These days, probably the biggest change has just been putting the factory under some rigorous quality control and getting rid of all the old practices that were letting them down.
Making its debut at the recent Wimmera Machinery Field Days, the Kirovets tractor features a Mercedes Benz engine offering a power output between 300 to 428 horsepower. Its biggest selling point, according to Australian importer APCO Machinery, is its simplicity and ease of operation.
We're not going for farmers that want the latest computerised systems and all of that. We're going for people who want something more simple that's about working on it yourself. Basically the only computer on this tractor is on the Mercedes engine itself, and apart from that it's mechanical systems that people will be used to and won't be giving you sensor failures and tractors shutting themselves down because the computer tells it to. The other thing is that the gearbox is full spur gears, which are straight cut. The downside, honestly, is the transmission is going to be a little bit noisier than ones with helical gears, but it's done just for maximum strength and minimal loss of power from the engine. So you get the 428 horsepower, but people are finding it pulls a little bit better than the power on the hood.
While the maximum horsepower for the Kirovets currently sits at 428 horsepower, there are plans to work on a 500 horsepower version further down the track. In the shorter term, APCO is hoping to bring in mid-range models with power ranging from 180 horsepower to 250 horsepower.
So this is the engine we're looking at, which is the Mercedes Benz OM 460 LA. It's a straight six engine, about 12 litres, and that's giving us, in this tractor, 428 horsepower. The transmission gears itself are ground to, I believe, the second highest precision class that they're using in Russia. So the higher precision class than that is gears for helicopters and things like that. The control layout is basically big levers, big buttons, clearly labelled. So again, it's all about simplicity. The big difference with this, which is the 2016 model from the 2017 models which we'll be delivering now, is these levers, which currently operate the transmission, have been deleted, and they'll be replaced by a button-operated console which you'll shift the gear electronically, which is a pretty significant improvement for just the ease of operation.
Another key selling point, according to the distributor, is its affordable price tag.
Around 60% of the price of most competitors on a horsepower basis. So for the 428 horsepower here, the list price is about $270 at the moment. We've already rolled out some dealers in Victoria and South Australia, so throughout the rest of this year there'll be a rollout in the other states.
Suffice to say, the Kirovets was a star attraction at the field days, capturing the attention of showgoers, young and old alike.
The response has been, out of control, to be honest. I thought it would be a sort of a relaxing few days with a few people to talk to and a lot of cups of coffee, but no, we don't get a dead moment. A lot of people responding well to what we're talking about with the simplicity and eliminating a lot of the computers.